Wait till you see the banks lined up here with XRP. Citibank considering digital asset custody partner Medico. Check this out. So you got Citibank, we know is working with Ripple. Citibank is a customer of Medico. What is Medico going to do? It's going to hold cryptocurrency. It's going to be like a safe. Why is Citibank getting mixed up with cryptocurrency? That's interesting, right? So we got here BNY Mellon, which is a Ripple partner, JP Morgan, Ripple partner, Citibank is going to now end up being like a custodian of crypto. Interesting. Do you see what's getting set up here, everybody? The New York Reserve is mixed up in this. The New York Reserve, huh? Well, let's look at this. Here's Crypto Hulk's channel. There's Ripple Labs. Let's see the early partner of Ripple. Oh, we got there. New York Fed. Is that a spy agency right there? Yep. Look at that. That's where the astronauts. Microsoft. But this. Bow. Very interesting, right? So now we're talking DBS Bank, Ripple partner, all these BNP Paribas, Ripple partner. They're all Ripple partners. They're all getting set up with crypto. Just in, Citibank extends a partnership with Ripple partner. BNY Mellon is on a Ripple page. They've been partners since when? 2016. Kaboom. Ripple partner and JP Morgan work together. They're moving crypto around the world. Do you see this? Here's BNP. Ripple partner, BNP Paribas, to launch in EFX. That's foreign exchange there, buddy. This is Crypto Hulk. Got a live stream. Probably should check it out. Yeah. YouTube live stream, Crypto Hulk. See you there.